Today is Wednesday, May 18th. Today's plane is Arumakan by David Mitchell. By the way, if you're folding a plane that has lines, like the next one right here, please know that the lines might not exactly line with how you want it to be. So, like this might be not exactly in half, and it's okay. It's the printing and cutting sometimes messes up. Down with this. And the star may not align well, I know. The star is there because sometimes people fold it backwards, and I do that sometimes as well, I know. But the star tells where the top is. So if you see lines on the top of your paper and you don't have the star, and this is just for this plane, it could be different, and it doesn't have a star, that means you're folding it the wrong way. Make sure that it's a tip to actually look at the lines and think about it. What makes more sense? Like, if the words go backwards like this, I mean, why would you fold it like that? I mean, it kind of looks weird. So, it even does show you very, very small. Here, there's a star. I know you maybe cannot see it from right there when I just showed it, but you got it. Stars mean the top of the plane. The blue star. And I'm also trying not to ruin the words. Fold them like this again on the line. Here's the room again. Bye.